In summer season, mango, jackfruits, watermelon are available. In rainy season, banana, guava and chickus are available. In winter season, strawberry, grapes and oranges are available in winter season. Here also you can see the maps, famous food items in Maharashtra and neighboring states. See which are the famous vegetables or famous dishes in different states. See Jokla, Thepla, Bajra and Bhakri, Jawar Bhakri, in Hingoli, Dapote, Bajra Bhakri, peanut chutney, rice bhakri, red white mutton curry, fish rice, prawn curry. So these all items are famous in the Maharashtra in different places. So Satara, Akola, Ahmednagar, Yavatmal, these all in these states, which item is famous? Jawar bhakri they eat more, as the main ingredient over there is jawar. Kolhapur we get red and white mutton curry. The main ingredient is mutton. In Nasik, Mande, it is made from wheat. Goa, the people eat more prawns and fishes. The plateau region is a raised stretch of land that is flat at the top. It looks like a tabletop, so it is also known as tableland. The soil in this region is known as black soil. The crops grown in this region are jawar, sugar, millets, oranges and bananas. So these all crops are available in the plateau region. These are the recipes they prepare in the plateau region: ambil, dhapate, laiya, dhide, bhakri, sanke, papad. These all things are prepared in the plateau region. Now coastal region. See the blue, the place marked with the blue here, it is the coastal region. It is the flat areas of land located near the sea or ocean is called a coast. Coastline is also known as seashore. Konkan coast is the middle part of the western coastal plains. Rice is the staple food of people living on the coast. The crops grown in this region are rice, coconut, mango, cashew nut. As there is heavy rainfall, rice can be grown in this region. Variety in crops is due to the change in climate and soil. The crops grown in each region determine the diet of the people in that region. So, the diet depends on the crops which is grown in that region. So, if rice is grown in plenty, the people staying there eat more rice. If wheat is grown, if jawar is grown, the people over there eat more jawar or wheat. Always remember that a region's climate, soil, water and people's need determine the crops that are grown in that region and also their staple diet. Recapitulation: which food items can be prepared from wheat? Breads, chapati, biscuits, cakes, etc. are the food items prepared from the wheat. Write the names of different edible oils: mustard oil, coconut oil, walnut oil, sunflower and groundnut oil. Home assignment: here some fill in the blanks I have given you, students. You have to write it in your notebook. Coming up next will be chapter number 7, food and nutrition. Take care of yourself, stay safe and healthy. Thank you.